Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create subscriber in MailerLite group on WooCommerce order. So here I'm running my WooCommerce store, and now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new order, then automatically I'm going to get the customer detail. So as I'm going to receive that customer detail from my order, then I want to create this customer as a subscriber, and I want to segment that in a different group so that I can send some targeted emails and follow-up email. So I want to add this customer as a subscriber in a group in MailerLite. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between WooCommerce and MailerLite. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new order in WooCommerce, then automatically I'm going to create a new subscriber in group in MailerLite. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create MailerLite subscriber in a group from WooCommerce order. So imagine I run an online store using WooCommerce and I want to make the most of every customer interaction. So every order placed in my WooCommerce store is just not a sale but an opportunity to build a long-term relationship with my customer. So by automatically adding these customers to a specific MailerLite group, I can streamline my marketing efforts and automate the process of collecting customer emails and segmenting them based on their purchase behavior. This helps in sending targeted email campaigns such as product recommendation, special offers, and product purchase follow-ups. Also with this automation, I can enhance customer engagement and I can engage with my customers through personalized email that caters to their preference and purchase history, and it will increase the likelihood of repeat purchases and foster customer loyalty. It is also going to save time and reduce errors. So eliminating the manual process of exporting customer data from WooCommerce and importing it in MailerLite, this automation ensures that every new customer is accurately added to my email list without any manual intervention. So to boost my sales and conversion, I can use this automated email sequence to nurture leads and convert one-time buyers into regular customer. Welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and exclusive discounts can be a setup of trigger based on the customer's journey. So by integrating WooCommerce with MailerLite, I can create a seamless workflow that not only enhances my marketing capabilities, but also ensure that I have a better customer experience. And this integration is especially valuable for growing business looking to maximize their email marketing efforts with minimal manual work. So for setting up this automation and this integration between WooCommerce and MailerLite, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between WooCommerce and MailerLite without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. So I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create subscriber in MailerLite group on WooCommerce order. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of WooCommerce. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. And in our workflow, we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and in my trigger application, I'm going to use WooCommerce. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select WooCommerce here. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new order created will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I'm going to take you to my WordPress account where I have the plugin of WooCommerce. So I'm going to take you there. And here I'm on WooCommerce section. Now in WooCommerce, I need to go to settings. And here in settings, I need to go to advanced settings. And in advanced settings, I have this option of webhooks. So I'm going to open this. And here in webhooks, I need to add a new webhook. So I'm going to click here on this add webhook button. And here I need to first give a name to my webhook. So here my name will be MailerLite. And now I need to give a status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to give the status of active, and I need to select my topic. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this I need to select this topic of order created. So I'm going to select this and I need to give the delivery URL. So here in this tab of delivery URL, I'm going to give the webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on save webhook. And here we can see I have successfully added this webhook in my WooCommerce store. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received the response of webhook ID. So this means that I have successfully added my webhook in WooCommerce store. And now what I need to do is I need to click on recapture webhook response button. I need to click on yes. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new order in WooCommerce. So for that, I need to take you to my WooCommerce shop. And here I'm going to create a new order. So I'm going to add this product of chair into cart. And now I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Now here for making an order, I need to fill all these details of my customer. So here my first name will be Michael. Last name will be Karis. Now I need to select my country, and that is already selected, which is India. I'm going to give my street address. So my street address will be New Street. Apartment will be random. And city will be Bhopal. My state is already selected, that is Madhya Pradesh. I'm going to give a pin code. So this is a random pin code. I'm also going to give a random phone number of my customer. So this is a random phone number of my customer, and I'm going to give an email address. So my email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to click on place order. And here we can see I have successfully created this order in my WooCommerce shop. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my order. And here I have the total amount, which is of 3,500 rupees. Status is processing. Also here I have the product name, that is of a chair, and the quantity is 1. Here I have the first name of my customer, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karis. I have the state, that is MP, which is for Madhya Pradesh. And I have this random postcode. I have the city, that is Bhopal. I have this address, which is New Street Random. Also in this, I have the email address, that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my customer. So here we can see that as I have created a new order in WooCommerce, then automatically I have received the response in Pabbly Connect with all the detail of my order and the customer. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of my customer, and by using these details of my customer, I want to create a new subscriber in a group in MailerLite. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be MailerLite. So I'm going to search for that. So I'm going to select MailerLite here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create or update subscriber will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect MailerLite with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. And for connecting MailerLite with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So for getting this token, I need to first log into my MailerLite account, and I need to get the API request, and by authenticating that API request, I can get my API token. So for getting this API token, I need to first take you to my MailerLite account. And here I will go to integrations. And here in integrations, I have this option of API. So I'm going to use this. And now here in this API, I need to generate a new token. So I'm going to click here on this generate new token button. And I need to first give a name to my token. So my name here will be WooCommerce order. And now I need to accept the terms and condition. So I'm going to select this option and I'm going to click on create token. And here we can see that I have generated this API token. So I'm going to copy this. I will close this and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And now here in this token tab, I'm going to paste that API token. Now I need to click on save. And here I have successfully connected MailerLite with Pabbly Connect. Now here first I need to give the subscriber email. And here in this tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the subscriber email from my responsive WooCommerce order. And in my responsive WooCommerce order, I'm going to get all the detail of my customer. So from that detail, I'm going to map the email address of my customer here as a subscriber. So for mapping, I need to first toggle on this map button here. And here I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to clear this and I need to open this response of WooCommerce. And here in this response, I'm going to search for my customer email address. So here this is my customer email address. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to select my status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select the status of active. And now I need to select the group where I want to add my subscriber. So for the group, I need to take you back to MailerLite. And here I will go to subscribers. And here in subscribers, I need to go to groups. And in this, we can see I have these two groups. So I'm going to use this particular group of WooCommerce and I want to create my subscriber in this particular group for all my WooCommerce order customers. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I need to select my group. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the groups that I have in my MailerLite account. And I can select any particular group that I want. So I'm going to select this WooCommerce group. And also here I can select multiple groups too. But I only want to create my subscriber in this particular group. So I have selected that. And now what I need to do is I need to first give a name and the last name of my customer. So I need to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce. And here this is the first name of my customer. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the last name. So this is the last name of my customer. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I'm going to map all these details of my customer here. So I need to first give the city. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to search for the city of my customer. So this is my city, that is Bhopal. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I'm going to give the phone number. So I need to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce and I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my customer phone number. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the state and I'm going to give the zip code. So here we can see that I have mapped all the required details with all the detail of my customer that I have received from my WooCommerce order. And as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So here what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my WooCommerce order, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail of my new order or the new detail of my customer in the real time. So in the real time, I'm going to create new subscriber in my group with all the new details of my order. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new subscriber automatically in my group in MailerLite. So to check this, let me take you back to MailerLite. And here I'm going to first refresh this page. And now I need to open this group of WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on View Group. And here in my group, we can see I have created this new subscriber that is named as michaelkarras@pablytudes.com. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my customer that I have received as an order from WooCommerce, then automatically I have created a new subscriber in a group in MailerLite. So I'm going to open this subscriber. And here we can see I have all these details of my subscriber. So the email is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I have the group that is WooCommerce. I have the first name that is Michael. I have the last name that is Karras. City is Bhopal. This is the random phone number. I have the state that is Madhya Pradesh, and I have the random zip code. So here we can see that by using all the detail of my WooCommerce order or all the detail of my WooCommerce customer, I have created this new subscriber in a group in MailerLite. So here my automation and this connection between WooCommerce and MailerLite is working successfully. And now I have segmented my subscriber in a particular group so that I can send some tailored or personalized email to all my subscribers that I'm going to receive from my WooCommerce order. Now to check this again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my WooCommerce shop. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new order. So I'm going to add this blue round neck t-shirt into my cart. I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. And here in checkout, I have filled all the detail of my customer. So the first name is demo, last name is user. I have the country that is India. I have the street address that is XYZ Street. I have the old apartment. And my city is Indore, state is Madhya Pradesh. This is the random zip code. I have the random phone number of my customer. And the email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to click on place order. And here we can see I have successfully created this new order for my customer. Now what should happen is that as I've created this new order in WooCommerce, then automatically by using all these detail of my order and all the detail of my customer, a new subscriber should be created in a group in MailerLite. So to check this, let me take you back to MailerLite. I'm going to go back to my group and I'm going to refresh this page. Now here in subscribers, we can see I have created this new subscriber that has the email address of demoUser@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my subscriber that has all these detail of my customer that has created the order in WooCommerce. So here I have the email that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name that is demo. I have the last name that is user. City is Indore. I have this random phone number. State is Madhya Pradesh. And this is the random zip code. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my WooCommerce order, I have created this new subscriber in this particular group of WooCommerce in MailerLite. So here I have segmented and I'm going to create all the new subscribers that I'm going to receive from WooCommerce in this particular group of WooCommerce. So here my automation and this connection between WooCommerce and MailerLite is working successfully. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between WooCommerce and MailerLite to automatically create subscriber in MailerLite group on WooCommerce order. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was WooCommerce and my trigger event was new order created. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was MailerLite and my action event was create or update subscriber. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.